Ready to discover our platform? MySensofar offers a wide variety of services. Are you struggling to remember your product info? Go to my product section and find out about specific details, files, articles, and software related to your products. What if you see no products registered yet? Just enter your SN and start making the most out of this feature. Or are you looking for a specific file, such as a white paper? Check out our library, where you can find almost everything from Sensofar. And do not forget to mark your favorites before you leave. Select the language and click on Download it. Finally, make sure to visit our Help Center, the easiest way to connect with our support specialists. Not sure how to perform a specific procedure? Head over to our knowledge base and search for the answer. You can explore the article or check out related ones for more details. Still can't find what you're looking for? Submitting a support request is easy. Just follow 3 simple steps. Select your product, choose a topic, and provide all the relevant details. That's it. You can track the status of your request on the support activity page. And with that, we officially welcome you to the MySensofar ecosystem.